And for my next trick, I will make this water disappear.
You don't need magic to make liquids disappear. You need AbraCadabra. AbraCadabra is a powdered absorbent that turns liquid into gel in just seconds, making cleanup a breeze. It's no gimmick. Just sprinkle the powdered gel over a spill and watch as the liquid begins to transform like magic. Remove the congealed spills with a broom or wet vacuum. AbraCadabra can absorb up to 70 times its own weight, leaving behind nothing but a pleasant apple fragrance. Use it on carpet and hard surfaces to clean up water, bodily fluids, liquids from broken glass, acid and alkaline-based spills, and even small gasoline and diesel fuel spills. Now take the next step and visit neutronindustries.com to find AbraCadabra, or check out our complete line of cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.